Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. And today we're going to be feeding our onion seedlings. And I'm actually going to be using Miracle Grow all-purpose plant food. It's a 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water. And I make sure that my water is room temperature because I don't want to shock them. I don't want to shock the plants. And I'm just going to pour a little bit of it in here, just kind of over. Now we don't want to pour it that abruptly that we wash our seedlings out. And you always want to make sure that your soil is moist, which this is. And I'll finish feeding these then. And it's a little hard to feed them holding the camera, I'm sorry. And you may use whatever plant food you want. I know there's organic plant foods and different things. I just use the Miracle Grow on the seedlings because that's what works for me, and I find that it helps develop a healthy, strong root system on them, and that's what we want. We want plants with strong, healthy root systems. There are, organic foods out there, and we do feed our stuff with that when it goes outside into the garden, but I just don't use that in the house. So but that's your choice. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.